Wowee, what a jam-packed show we've got for everybody, isn't it?
Rhaglen lawn dop.
Rhaglen a lawn dop. Right then, what have you got for me? I need to know my stuff today. We've got our first lesson right now. Give it to me. Let's do it.
Gwestai cynta ydi Gary Slaymaker. Okay?
Fi'n abod Gary.
All right, okay. So, mae Gary'n dod o Lambed, as you know then.
Yeah.
Lampeter yn wreiddio, ond mae'n byw yng Nghaerdydd rwan. Comediwr ydi Gary. He's a comediwr.
Comedian.
Yeah, yes, a comedian. A mae'n gwneud stand-ups. Mae gan Gary ddiddordeb mawr. He has a huge interest mewn ffilmiau. Yeah. Mae o'n film buff.
Film buff.
Beth
yw film buff yn Cymraeg?
Film buff yn gweithio'n ffantastig. Mae wedi cyflwyno nifer o raglenni ar y teledu ac ar radio, a mae wedi ysgrifennu nofel, he's written a novel, Y Sach Winwns.
Y Sach Winwns?
The Union
Sack.
Or Sach Nionod, maybe in Gogledd, but The Sach Winwns is the title.
I see what he's done there. Okay, fine.
Okay. Now, we can certainly talk to him about that, because I have no idea what that one's about.
That's interesting,
you
yes.
reckon? Okay,
yes.
So we can talk about favourite films, actors, stand-ups. So let's have a look at the Patramau Holly, yeah? Now, pa fath o? Pa fath. Now, after pa, what kind of? Pa fath o? Which kind? Now, usually we use pa fath, what? Is beth, isn't it? But in this type of question, we're going to use pa. Pa fath o? What kind of? Okay. Pa fath o ffilmiau wyt ti'n hoffi, maybe?
Pa fath o ffilmiau?
Okay, nawr 10. Screen die, maybe.
Yeah.
Pwy ydi dy hoff? Now, we've had dy hoff before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Who is dy
Your favourite.
Your favourite. Now then, pwy ydi dy hoff? What do you reckon? You can
Actores.
Actores. What about actor even, or actores?
Actor.
What about director?
Director.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Pwy ydi dy hoff gyfarwyddwr?
Gyfarwyddwr.
Pwy ydi dy hoff gyfarwyddwr? Or we can use the oes pattern, oes gen ti hoff gyfarwyddwr.
Oes gen ti.
Yeah, we can use that pattern as well. Now 10, it's up to you. So different ways of looking. Pwy ydi dy hoff?
Yeah.
Pin. There you go again. Pa un.
Pa un, which one?
Pa un ydi dy hoff.
Ydi dy hoff.
Pa un ydi dy hoff film. Yeah, ac yn y blaen.
Actor.
Dy hoff lyfr.
Book, lyfr. Yeah.
Yes. Oes hoff joke, maybe.
Joke? Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, we'll save that. That's a good one.
Yeah. So we can use all these different patterns and see how we get on. Now, screen tree. Now, talking about different, he's been performing in Tafwyl, as I said, gala comedy. We want to know how it went, okay?
Sut aeth?
So, sut aeth hi?
Sut aeth hi?
Sut aeth hi, yeah. Sut aeth hi? Sut aeth y gala comedy, even. Sut aeth y gala comedy yn yr Eisteddfod?
Yn yr Eisteddfod, okay. How was the comedy gala in the Eisteddfod?
Yes, exactly. Sut aeth hi? We want to know.
Fine. I tell you what. We will go through it again, because my mind isn't ticking along today. It's a lazy Sunday in my brain today. So while we do that, the people at home can have a look at Gary Slaymaker in action.